and this is 4t. And then py is equal to 3t square by 2 plus 3. Therefore, Fy, the y component of force, is equal to d by dt of py, and this is equal to d by dt of py function, 3t square by 2 plus 3, and this is equal to 3 by 2 into 2t plus 0, differentiation of constant, and this is equal to 3t. Therefore, F bar is equal to Fx I cap plus Fy j cap, because there is I component and j component. There is along x axis I component, along y axis j component, and this is equal to Fx is 4t I cap plus 3t j cap. Therefore, magnitude of F bar is equal to square root of 4t whole square plus 3t whole square, and this is equal to 5t.